The northeastern Brazilian state of Alagoas is celebrated for its Caribbean-like beauty and consistently pleasant weather throughout the year. Nestled between the picturesque beaches of Maragogi and the São Francisco River estuary, this region boasts the most stunning coastline in Brazil. Maceió, one of Latin America's fastest-growing tourist destinations, has gained popularity in recent years as the top recommended spot for beach vacations in Brazil. Renowned for its natural beauty, pristine white beaches, shallow turquoise waters, and vibrant coral reefs teeming with life, it attracts numerous visitors, particularly from densely populated cities like São Paulo. Now let's explore the ultimate list of the best things to do in Maceió. Number 10, explore the area with the ATV. Praia de Itababa is a prime location in Brazil for ATV driving. Its expansive, sparsely populated areas and stunning natural beauty make it ideal for the sport. Few places in the world offer the unique combination of endless beaches, sandy deserts, and tropical rainforests side by side. Number 9, savor the flavors at a local market. For food enthusiasts, a trip to a local market is a sensory delight. The Mercado do Artesanato is an excellent place to sample regional treats like tapioca and freshly caught seafood. Additionally, it's an ideal spot to find handmade crafts and souvenirs. Number 8, Sandbar of Maragogi, one of the most breathtaking locations along the Alagoas coast, is just off the shore of Maragogi. This 800-meter-long sandbar rarely disappears beneath the sea. The white sand is reminiscent of the Bahamas, and the turquoise water is shallow and crystal clear. It's one of Brazil's premier spots for swimming and snorkeling, as well as a favorite location for beach parties. Number 7, Catamaran Walk. Since the local reefs are shallow and visible from above the surface, a short catamaran cruise along the coast is one of the best experiences in the area. You can choose between a boat trip along the coast of Maceió or in the Maragogi region. Prices are comparable, and both experiences offer unique advantages. While costs can sometimes be high, the number of passengers is always limited, ensuring a peaceful few hours. Catamarans typically glide easily through very shallow waters, reaching fantastic snorkeling spots inaccessible to regular yachts. Number 6, visit the Gales. The Gales is one of the most renowned tourist spots in Alagoas. Situated on the Coral Coast, Costa dos Corais, near Maragogi, it is about 90 kilometers north of Maceió center. The Gales are natural pools formed between the sandy shore and the coral reef barrier. During low tide, the reef becomes visible above the ocean surface. The water in these natural pools is crystal clear, with an enticing turquoise hue that attracts visitors worldwide, especially snorkeling enthusiasts. Underwater visibility here is among the best in Brazil, reaching up to 40-50 meters on sunny, calm days. Number 5, go to Praia da Sereia. Praia da Sereia, also known as the beach with the sculpture, is situated on the northern outskirts of Maceió. Unlike the bustling beaches in the city center, this spot is relatively tranquil. However, it draws more visitors than the more remote northern beaches. Its popularity stems from the striking white mermaid sculpture perched on a rock just off the sandy shore. Number 4, take a historical walk in Jaraguá. The historic district of Jaraguá serves as a time capsule of Maceió's past. Stroll through streets adorned with colonial buildings and discover the city's sugarcane heritage. At night, the area buzzes with activity, featuring bars and restaurants that provide a glimpse into local life. Number 3, explore Praia do Gunga. When it comes to natural pools, Praia do Gunga is a must-visit destination. The journey there is an adventure, offering breathtaking views along the way. Upon arrival, you'll be greeted by coconut groves and cliffs that create a stunning backdrop to the clear pools. It's truly a slice of heaven on earth. Number 2, bask in the sun at Praia de Pajuçara. One of Maceio's gems is Praia de Pajuçara. Its turquoise waters and soft sandy shores are ideal for sunbathing and swimming. Be sure to take a ride on a jangada, traditional sailboat, to the natural pools created by the coral reefs. It's like entering an aquarium, surrounded by vibrant fish. Number 1, explore the town of Maragogi. About 92 kilometers north of the state capital, Maragogi is a delightful tourist town with around 27,000 residents. Along its coastline, you'll discover some of the finest restaurants north of Maceió, offering a blend of traditional local dishes and exquisite seafood specialties. After a day on the shore, fantastic bars await you. The beaches themselves are truly worth exploring.